Squeak, squeak! Hey guys, today we are going to do a challenge. We're going to do the pancake challenge.
Yay!
But before we start, I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Amber. It's her 12th birthday today, so happy birthday. Well, now let's start. In this challenge, each person gets 3 cups with pancake batter. We're going to have 3 good ingredients
And 3 not so good ingredients.
So let's start.
So I'm gonna see which one I get. I got chocolate chips.
I got Parmesan.
I got marshmallow.
Coconut.
I got sriracha.
And I got sriracha. And I got capers. This is gonna be fun. So now we have our ingredients and we're gonna put them in our dough.
Yay.
You're first.
I'm gonna put my chocolate chips in.
That's a lot of chocolate chips. I'm gonna do my good ingredient first. Put some coconut. I love coconut, but I do not know how it tastes in a pancake.
Probably doesn't taste that good. I'm gonna put my marshmallows in.
I'm gonna put my capers. I'm so scared.
Those.
Putting caper juice. It's still salty.
I'm gonna put my good ingredients in.
Sriracha. Got it?
Okay,
You want me to do it? Okay.
don't put a lot
I
in.
won't.
That's good.
And Parmesan.
I'm scared.
This might not taste that bad.
I think in the sriracha one will taste really hot.
Okay, so we're going to cook these up and see you later to try them. Okay, so we finished making our pancakes and now we have to try them. But we are going to try every single one of the pancakes.
I'm scared of the sriracha one.
Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to start with the one with the cheese in it. That's gross.
I'm trying my sriracha one.
Okay, almost. This is my coconut. So I just tried a piece of the coconut, and it tastes like it drained the flavor out of the coconut. Weird texture. Hot.
But I only took a tiny piece. Now I'm trying my chocolate chip one.
I get the coconut in it though.
I'm gonna give it
Cheese.
It's closed down my mouth. This one actually closed down my mouth. The chocolate chip one. I dare you to try the sriracha one. Kill him.
That
You
is
should try
gross.
that one.
Okay. But that is gross.
Try the sriracha one.
Did you try that one?
No. Effort.
That is gross. It tastes like Parmesan. Oh my god. It's caper time.
It's still
Taking the littlest piece in the world.
okay. Cam, you should try the sriracha one. Try the
Oh. Okay, we'll switch plates. You gotta try mine.
You only get a little bit of that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's just
Sriracha.
take the tiny one. Just take the tiny one.
I like spice. we did put quite a bit in, so. That is spicy.
That's why I told you to take a tiny piece. I don't want the coconut one.
A little piece of chocolatey chip.
What's this one?
This one,
Parmesan?
yes. It's grosser than you think. And then I get to try this one, even though some little girl took all the marshmallow out of it.
No.
Oh, it melted? The marshmallow melted. That makes sense. Tastes like a Rice Krispie treat.
Here you go.
So, we tried our pancakes.
I like chocolate chip one.
And we like some of them, and some of them want to make us puke. So,
That one does.
I lost because I got 2 bad ingredients. She won because she got 2 good ingredients. So, I've got to give it to the Roxy team, and hope you enjoy your pancakes.
I love the chocolate chip one.